Hi, I'm Barry Charlton, Senior Works Delivery Manager for Sensieve on the Network Rail project. I've been with Sensieve for 11 years and my primary role is delivery for Network Rail earthworks. Especially with the camera and the quality of the camera that we have now in the CameraHub is that the role has slightly changed with the camera. Where it was a backup for the nodes, so you'd have movement and it would be eyes in the field, it's now taken on a role of its own at the forefront, where we're now looking at things like time-lapse videos, photogrammetry, stuff like that. Because of this quality that we have, you're now able to use the camera more of a primary function, and the customer's really interested in the information they're getting from the camera. So the challenge is on site, because we're installing, or the customer's installing in a rail environment, you have obviously the safety challenges, and then you have the environment itself. You could be installing on an embankment that needs rope access, stuff like that. So having one unit in the camera can be very helpful because it's not so much more kit to install, no cables. So the new camera to be able to install as a one unit is very helpful in these environments. And then you have factors like the weather, rain, stuff like that, that also add to, can you get the quality of the image with the rain in the environment that you're installing in? So these are some of the challenges that we face and that the new CameraHub can help us to overcome. So when we go out to installing a camera on site, obviously the main thing we're looking at is the asset and what the actual customer wants. Can we get that image of what they need? Is it looking at an embankment? Is it looking at a cess? What is it looking at? But whatever it is, that is the main point. Also, what you have to take into account is, are you getting good cellular signal? Is it in an area that's going to get good cellular signal? And is it going to keep that quality going? Because it's okay installing it and getting the image, but reliability is a big thing. So we have to make sure that it's getting good signal. On top of that, another key factor is power. And this is a solar solution, not just solar, but solar is the main one for remote locations. And so is it getting good sunlight, and and throughout the year, and what the maintenance is going to look like for that as well. So we take all of these factors into account when we're going for the install and making sure we get what the customer wants.